Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, in this video I will show you how to do this colorful stroke intro animation using After Effects. First I create a new comb and rename it as main. Then I create another comb and rename it as logo. I'm going to add a logo into the timeline. Let me change the color to white. Go to Effects and Presets and add fill to the logo layer. Now let me go back to the main comb. I am going to drag this logo comb into the main comb. Go to Effects and Presets and add Vegas to the logo comb. Change the blend mode to transparent. Segments 1. Set a keyframe for rotation at the beginning of the timeline. Let me go at the end and change the rotation keyframe to -5 into -24 degree. I am going to change the color to violet. Let me create another copy of this comb. I will rename these two logo combs as logo 1 and logo 2. Select the logo 2 comb and change the color to green. Let me check this random face. I am going to slightly increase the rotation. Now I will create a copy of these two combs. Place these two on top. Select the top comb and increase the width to 7. Same goes to the logo 3 comb, change the width to 7. Let me add optics compensation to the logo 4 comb. Check reverse lens distortion. Field of view to 100. Set a keyframe at the beginning of the timeline. Let me go 2 seconds and change it back to 0. Place this playhead at the beginning. Copy this optic compensation and paste it on the logo 3 comb. Select all the combs and change blend mode to add. Set a keyframe for opacity for logo 1 and 2 comb at the beginning of the timeline. Change to 0. Now, where we can see the logo, we change the opacity to 100. Let me add this logo comb into the timeline. Go to Effects and Presets and add a linear vibe into the logo comb. I will change the wipe angle to and feather to 45. Set a keyframe for transition completion from where we can see the logo and change back to 100. Let me go a few frames, change to 0. Add a glow to the logo for comb. Glow intensity 0.5 and glow radius 30. Add glow one more time to the logo for comb. Change glow radius to 160 and glow intensity to 0.6. Let me copy these two glows. And paste it on the remaining logo combs. I am going to set a keyframe for opacity for logo 3 and 4 combs, where we can see the logo. Go few frames forward and change back to 0. Same goes to the logo 1 and 2 combs. Now I will add a null object. Right click, new null object. Select all the combs and drag this big whip tail and add it to the null 1. Go to Effects and Presets and add slider control to the null 2 times. Hold Alt key and click on position keyframe. Wiggle open bracket, close bracket. Drag this big whip tail to the slider. Add a comma in between these two close brackets and drag this big whip tail to the slider. Set a keyframe for both sliders at the beginning of the timeline, change to 50. Now if you want to replace this logo and want to add test, just go to the logo and delete this logo and add your test. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Thank you for watching.